Hello everybody, I'd like to share with you a beautiful case. Here's our lab technician. She's doing a customized veneer case where she stains your veneers in the office. We have an in-house lab, but let me show you something really cool. Sometimes patients come in with really bad situations, broken teeth, missing teeth. I mean, it's just unbelievable, and we can fix it. So here she had teeth and a bridge, it broke off, and look at this beautiful smile makeover, handcrafted veneers, crowns, bridges by our lab technician. Look at this beautiful smile, rounded, soft to the eye, follows the lower lip, which is called a positive smile line, right? So your upper teeth follow the contour of your lower lip. And again, our lab technician comes in, stains them in your mouth, in the office. She has an oven here, so you can glaze it in the office. And when you see it and you like it, we can finalize it. So this is beautiful. So this is how she came in, and it was a broken old bridge and crown case. And this is how we restored her, and a beautiful translucent case. And this case will last because we applied the right occlusion called Canine guidance. Once you have Canine guidance, your teeth are protected from grinding, and you don't have to worry about them breaking or chipping. Okay, this is it. This is our lab technician, and we love cases like these because you can see the changes being made in the office while you're here. You don't have to go to the lab. The lab comes to us. Thank you for watching, and choose us when it comes to big restorative cases. Choose us when it comes to big bite changes, because that's what we specialize in.